Guys, this is Dr. Laura Koniver, and today I want to tell you about a recent medical study that suggests touching the earth outside, grounding to the earth outside, boosts your skin health so much that it helps wounds heal faster. Now, we already know that part of healing is electrical. So you think of your body, you know your body's electrical, you know the earth is electrical, you know your brain uses DC energy to think, you know your heart uses DC energy to beat, you know your muscles use DC energy, that's how we move, but even your skin uses DC energy to heal, and that is a process that's called electrotaxis. So when there's a wound, there's a very small DC electrical field that is set up around that wound, and it helps guide the repair. There's a lot of cells in our blood and in our skin that are electrotaxic, so they move along this DC energy field. So what researchers did was they created a wound in healthy skin, which set up a little DC electrical field, and then they applied external DC energy to see if that helped skin heal faster. And it did, 3 times faster than without the DC energy applied to the wound. They also did this with unhealthy skin, diabetic skin, and they created a wound, and they wanted to see by applying this external DC energy if that helped even compromised skin to heal. And it did. It helped that skin heal at healthy rates as if it was normal, healthy skin. So the diabetic skin healed as quickly as normal skin, and the normal skin had a 3 times accelerated healing. So this DC energy, how do we get this? This is the energy that comes from the earth. This is the Schumann frequency. It's the natural energy of the universe. It has nothing to do with artificial man-made AC energy. This is the natural energy that the earth provides, and it's the energy our body uses to function. So by applying an extra DC current, by grounding, by touching the earth outside, you are accelerating healing. So you also can ground and get that DC energy from the earth using indoor grounding tools. And if you don't know what those are and you want to see some, hop over to my website. I offer handmade, eco-friendly, ethically crafted, organic, all-natural grounding tools that you can connect to the earth's DC energy even inside. So if you do have a wound you're trying to heal and you need longer than maybe the 10 minutes you're able to go outside and touch a leaf on a tree, you might want to invest in an indoor grounding tool. Otherwise, get outside, touch some part of the earth's crust, whether it's the ground itself, whether it's grass, whether it's something living and rooted out of the ground, any leaf, any blade of grass, any tree, any flower, any bush, they're all grounded. And also conductive and semiconductive things that are on the earth will also ground you. So sidewalk will ground you when it's poured on the earth. Concrete and cement will ground you. And metal, of course, is very conductive. So if there's a signpost that's in the ground or a fence that's metal, if you touch any of those surfaces, you will be grounded. The other thing you might want to consider is deepening your sleep and focusing on repairing your sleep. There was another study that showed that beauty sleep is a real thing, and that during sleep, that's when we repair our collagen. And that deeper sleep leads to boosted collagen integrity. The alignment of the collagen, the elasticity of the collagen, the strength of the collagen is all boosted because it's repaired during sleep. And poor sleep led to misalignment of the collagen, poor elasticity, and poor structural integrity. So if you want your skin to have not just wound healing, but anti-aging benefits, you want to get deep restorative sleep at night, and you want to get grounded every single day.